There's a reason you feel lost right now, and no one talks about it. It's not confusion, it's not bad luck, it's not because you're broken. It's because you've outgrown the version of life you're still living. And that realization, it's uncomfortable, it's quiet, and it changes everything. You wake up, do everything you're supposed to do, yet something feels off. You're not unhappy enough to quit, not excited enough to feel alive, just drifting. You scroll more than you think more than you act. You feel busy, but not fulfilled. And the scariest part? You can't explain why. That's not laziness, that's not weakness, that's your identity asking for an upgrade. Most people stay here forever, not because they lack potential, but because this phase feels safe. Safe confusion, safe dissatisfaction, safe mediocrity. They'd rather tolerate discomfort they recognize than risk discomfort that might change them. So they numb it, with routines, with distractions, with fake productivity. And slowly, their dreams shrink to match their comfort. Here's the truth most people never hear. Feeling lost doesn't mean you're behind. It means you're early. Early to the realization that the old version of you is no longer enough. Growth never announces itself loudly, it whispers. And if you ignore that whisper long enough, it turns into frustration, resentment, regret. That's why this feeling feels heavy. It's asking you to choose. The people who break out of this phase don't suddenly get clarity, they get honest. Honest about what drains them, honest about what they've outgrown, honest about the lies they keep telling themselves. They stop waiting to feel ready. They start acting aligned. Small changes, quiet discipline, uncomfortable decisions, no announcements, no applause, just consistency when no one is watching. One day, something shifts. Not dramatically, not overnight, but you notice. You tolerate less nonsense. You protect your time. You move with intention. You don't feel found yet, but you're no longer lost, and that's the beginning. So if you feel lost right now, good. It means the old version of you can't carry the future you're meant for. Don't numb it. Don't rush it. Listen. Because the moment you stop trying to go back to who you were is the moment you quietly become who you're meant to be.